Have you heard of the viral sweet potato cottage cheese bowl recipe? Yeah, I know, it sounds crazy, but everybody says it's amazing. We're gonna test that out right here today from start to finish. This takes 10 minutes. I think it's gonna be pretty good. Let's get to cooking. There's two ways you can do this. You can do frozen sweet potatoes or you can do raw sweet potatoes like I am doing. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil down. If you're on a super time crunch, I would probably recommend doing the frozen sweet potatoes. But today I had a little bit of extra time. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna add some SPG on top. This is basically our Blackstone salt, pepper, garlic right on top here. You can just do salt and pepper like I said. And then we're gonna steam these bad boys. We're just gonna add a little bit of water here. Just like you would if you were boiling your sweet potatoes, you're boiling them essentially here on your griddle top. We'll let that cook down for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna move over to our meat. Now, they tell you to use the lean ground beef because that's what's going viral because it is a healthy bowl. But you can certainly use turkey if you would like. Ground turkey would work great. I'm gonna plop the meat on here. So we're gonna just chop these up here, chop that meat up. You're only gonna add one seasoning, and this is gonna be your taco seasoning. Healthiest one you can find is what they say for this viral recipe. So we're just gonna sprinkle it right out here on top. And we're gonna add some water. And once we add the water, that seasoning will start to kind of all congeal into the meat. Gonna just toss it a little bit. Oh, it smells so good already. Got the taco flavors, the taco seasonings in here, so all the cumin, salt, pepper, paprika, all the Mexican flavors. Let that get thinned out. Now we're going to add diced onions. Now, busy moms, busy individuals, trust me, if you can, buy the pre-diced onions. This saves so much time. And honestly, I'm only gonna need about half of this packet there. So we'll save the rest. Gosh, I can't tell you how many times that just saves me a good solid 5 minutes in the kitchen buying pre-diced onions. So probably about a couple of minutes here on the meat. Let that seasoning just soak in there really good. All right, and let's check on our sweet potatoes. They are looking great. I'm actually gonna take this lid off now. A little bit more SPG for good flavor. Okay, that looks wonderful. Let's come over here. We're gonna talk about the build of the bowl because that's almost done. The base of the bowl is gonna be good old cottage cheese. Cottage cheese, I know. Half people in this world hate cottage cheese, the other half loves it. But this is a really great way to kind of sneak in those the extra calcium, the extra minerals in their little bodies. So it's just gonna be cottage cheese on the base here. You can add as much as you want. Next, we're gonna do our sweet potatoes, meat, and I'm gonna show you the good stuff that goes on top. Toss this meat real good. It's looking beautiful, and we gotta check these sweet potatoes. The best way to check the sweet potato is just kind of stick a fork or your spatula in it. You'll notice it's kind of get into the middle of the sweet potato. You don't want it too mushy. You want a little bite to it. And these are looking perfect. Now it's time to build a bowl. I'm gonna bring the bowl over to the griddle. We're gonna add down that lean ground beef with that yummy taco flavoring. Next is gonna be the crispy sweet potatoes. These look fabulous. We're gonna bring it over to our chop board. I've already pre-sliced my avocado here. We're gonna lay that right on top. Now for the fun part, we're gonna add that Mike's Hot Honey Drizzle on top and of course some parsley just to zhuzh it up. Smells delicious. So already I'm gonna give it a good 8 out of 10 for it smelling good. Now the taste test, we'll see. So they say get a little bit of everything. I'm getting the base, cottage cheese, the meat, sweet potato, and a piece of avocado. I think I got everything. Let's go. Wow. Wow. Okay. This is actually way better than expected. I thought this was going to be really weird tasting, but I think the elements of each single flavor with that hot honey, the cottage cheese, the avocado, that ground zesty beef, and the sweet potatoes really make it. Somehow all these flavors just really come together. This is like I'm running around the grocery store on Sunday and I need something quick. This is it. Remember, you gotta keep it quick, you gotta keep it simple, and most importantly, you gotta keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I'll see you on the next episode. Cheers.